Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up LinkedIn Learning certificates for job applications, detailed guide step by step clearly. Log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the Me section at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. From the drop-down menu, select View Profile. Scroll down to the Licenses and Certifications section. Locate the LinkedIn Learning certificate you want to back up. Click on the certificate to open its details. Take note of the course name and the issuing organization. Click the Download option, if available, to save the certificate directly to your device. If the download option is not available, take a screenshot of the certificate. Ensure the screenshot clearly captures the entire certificate. Save the screenshot in a dedicated folder for easy access later. Next, locate the Learning section in the main menu. Click on Learning to access your LinkedIn Learning dashboard. In the dashboard, find the My Learning tab. Select this tab to view all completed courses. Identify additional courses that you wish to keep records of. For each course, click on it to access its details. Check for downloadable certificates for these courses as well. Repeat the earlier steps to download or capture screenshots of these certificates. Organize all saved files in a folder labeled LinkedIn Learning Certificates. Consider labeling each file with the course name and date of completion. If desired, create a backup on cloud storage for added security. Now, you have an organized collection of your LinkedIn Learning certificates. This will streamline your job application process in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.